The light plugs are a compact LED light engine, which are great for fixture manufacturers as well as lighting designers who are looking for a great one-stop solution for their fixtures. What's great about the light plugs additionally is the versatility and configurability. So we offer it with a variety of different configurations, different bases and different wire types, so that it can be used in a variety of applications. So the light plugs are offered with a standard lead wire, and we offer actually 4 different types of lead wire with it. The standard version is a 36-inch jacketed lead wire with 2 leads coming out. The standard version also has a wire protector, so that prevents straining the wire, especially if you're going to be screwing it directly into a fixture or it's going to be strained in other ways where you know that it might be pulled. The second popular configuration is the flush base version. It basically has the same jacketed wire, except it doesn't have the wire protector. And this version would be great if you're limited on space and you know that you're not going to be overstraining or over twisting the product into the fixture. The third version we have is basically the same wire without a jacket. This is great for if you're going to be using it in a fixture where you have an elbow joint or a knuckle and you have to get around a very small amount of space. Another option we have is braided steel. This particular style of wire is more popular for pendants where it's going to be completely exposed in a standalone application. We also offer an integrated series light plugs, which has a smooth body just like you see here. The great thing about this model is that we can tap a base plate on the back. This model in particular has a completely flush base plate with the body and a 1/8 IPS tapped base. This is great because it allows you to mount it upside down, sideways, or even in a directional fixture where you have a 1/8 IPS pipe that you want to thread it onto. Another option for a base plate is the extended base plate. Essentially, it's just a little bit wider. It has a lip so that you can hang it upside down onto a surface and it won't slip around. As a retrofit solution, the light plugs are a really great product because it gives you a lot of control over the look and the feel of not only the product, but the quality of light you're going to be getting. For example, with the retrofit base light plugs with the A19 screw base, you can pair it with this type of heatsink and an omnidirectional lens, and you can get a great even glow all the way around and still come up with a product that has a slimmer profile than a regular A19 bulb. For those who are looking for a great energy efficient retrofit solution, you're often constrained by CFLs, which is going to throw light all over the place, and you have no control over the look and the feel and the light distribution. With the light plugs, you can control that. Not only can you control the aesthetics to make it look and feel how you want it to, but you can also direct the light. So if you want it as a directional light, you want it a narrow spot, a wider beam, or even an omnidirectional glow, the look is up to you. In a track situation, when you compare the 7 series light plugs with a 35-watt MR16 halogen bulb, you're going to see a major difference. The output of an LP7 is about equivalent to the output of a 35-watt MR16. The major difference is that with an LP7, you're only consuming about 4¼ watts. So that's equivalent to less than 15% of the MR16 bulb you were using to begin with. So you can start saving a whole lot of energy while getting a lot better light quality. This 7 series light plugs is mounted on a track with a 60-degree optic. As you can see, the light evenness is very nice. You're not going to see any striations. Whereas if you look at the MR16 output, you have strange shadowing, you have weird lines and striations that you have no control over. With the light plugs, however, you can control that beam. Say you wanted it more narrow as a 10-degree spot, you can do that. Another great thing about the light plugs is that you have a lot of different color temperature options. So depending on what you're trying to illuminate, whether it's art, whether it's food, whether it's a retail item, you can use the right LED color, such as a warm to a cool color, to really bring out the great qualities of that product. With American Illumination, there's no reason why your LED source shouldn't be exactly what you want. Therefore, we encourage you to get in touch with us if you wanted custom features, custom products, whether it's a custom product that has nothing to do with the shapes and the configurations that we've already presented. If you can draw it, we can help you bring it to life.